What's going on, everybody? This is Shields again with Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington, and thank you for clicking on this video. Today we're over here in Orange County, North Carolina, and I'm going to be taking you through this beautiful Heartland 2. All right, the Heartland 2 is at 1,658 square feet. We're going to be walking the original 3-bed, 2-bath plan. There are multiple variations of this plan that can get you more bedrooms, secondary den, all that good stuff, but the original 3-bed, 2-bath. The Heartland 2 will always consist of an optional / built-on site front porch. So what that tells you is you could do something different there. You don't have to have a front porch there. You could do a larger, a smaller, this style, that style. But what you're looking at here is a 6x12 gable style front porch. Got some cedar shake accent up there in that gable. Treated lumber, pickets, posts, all that good stuff. This house is sitting on our included textured block foundation. You're seeing the cypress green siding. That's one of the 5 included free colors. You're also seeing the silver birch shingle color there. It's one of the 4 included shingle colors. You are seeing the included white exterior trim package. So fascias, soffits, lineals, or picture frame molding around those windows, all gonna be white. And then to tie that all in, the customer went with white gutters and downspouts. Got a really good looking exterior elevation here. One thing I did want to point out, you don't see this a lot, but you've got transoms on the front elevation. A lot of times people put transoms on the back side of the home, but as you can see here, transoms can go anywhere. The Heartland 2 has a side loading utility room. So over here, we've got an attached garage. I'm going to swing around and show you this. Now this is the original Heartland 2 at 28 feet deep, 60 feet across. This is not the Laundry Plus plan, okay? I've explained the differences in other videos between the original Heartland 2 and our Heartland 2 XL Laundry Plus, so I can explain that a little bit more in another video. But this is the original Heartland 2, 1,658 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath. Let's get in here and check it out. And here we go. So the first thing you're going to notice is this beautiful gas fireplace trimmed out with the shiplap there. Got a beautiful big mantle there over that fireplace. Got the recessed TV outlets and stuff up there. You're probably also noticing those tall 9-foot ceilings. So as I've mentioned in other videos, we are going to start you with 8-foot ceilings. It is not a huge cost to do 9-foot. A lot of people do them. You see them in a ton of videos. Just remember 8 is included. There's those those transom windows that I pointed out from the outside, letting in all that natural light. You're seeing the Volt flooring color today. All right, on to the kitchen. Absolutely beautiful. I love the backsplash with those cabinets. Those are a really good match there. So that is our natural cabinet color. It is one of the 3 included or free cabinet colors. A beautiful blue denim backsplash running all the way to the ceiling there behind that range hood. Absolutely beautiful. As you can see, this customer did leave out the dishwasher, range, and fridge, so bear with me on that. But just a really pretty kitchen. And then that's all punctuated by my personal favorite quartz countertop. You got the beautiful sparkles in it, all that good stuff. Beautiful. Let me show you some of this cabinetry. Big double pot and pan drawer in the islands, dovetail construction, not stapled in, full extension, soft close, all that good stuff. All right, another transom window over the kitchen sink window. That's probably one of your more popular transom locations right there. And then right off of the kitchen, you've got this huge walk-in pantry. This thing is massive. Look at that. Really good stuff. And then behind this door, tucked away nicely, is your water heater. I don't know if you can see it there. There you go. And we're going to keep it moving. All right, so on to the dining space. I guess the only thing, I got two things I want to talk about in here. Number one, they did option a door. They went with a sliding glass door, again, with a transom window over that sliding glass door. Another thing I wanted to talk to you about, when you're looking at the original Heartland 2 layout, the reason this dining room is so big is because on paper they've got it labeled as a desk or office or china hutch or whatever area here. So you're gaining about 2 or 3 feet in this dining room. But when you're comparing that to our Laundry Plus model, what we did is we basically took this extra footage here and added it to that utility room on the side there, in that room there. So if you ever walk our model there in Burlington, or you watch a video of the Heartland Laundry Plus, that's how that laundry room got so big, is we took about that much and added it to the utility, okay? So a lot of people are gonna like this for a desk or china hutch or whatever, or just a bigger dining room. And then some people are gonna want the bigger utility. It just depends on the person. All right, so as you go down the hallway, you've got your fold out attic access ladder there. Again, we do use storage trusses, so you have a lot of usable storage space up there. I've actually crawled in a few over the years. Bedroom 2. Only thing I'd point out in this room, as you probably remember, all the bedrooms are going to start with carpet. This is actually the only bedroom they put flooring in. I don't know if it's going to be used as an office where he needs a chair to be able to roll around or whatever, but you don't have to do all or nothing. You know, you can pick and pop where you do not want flooring. Bath 2. I would point out you're seeing that beautiful sparkling quartz on all surfaces today, including the bathrooms. Sometimes people will do laminate in the bathrooms to save some money, but as you see, you can do that solid surface throughout. The last of the spare bedrooms. And then that utility room. A few things I wanted to talk about here. Number one, that is included at no extra cost. They added the utility room sink with a base cabinet. You could do a freestanding sink there without the base cabinet and save some money. But again, with that solid surface quartz countertops in the utility room, just a really nice sink. And then the window. So this may appear free on paper, but what we're going to do if you want this window is we're going to take that window that was supposed to be in the dining, slide it over here in the utility room at no extra cost. Or if you don't want a window, don't have it. Don't add it. But an easy way to get some light in here at no additional charge. And then this is leading right into that garage. All right. Back across the main space, we're going to knock out this master suite and we will be done. So again, this is the original Heartland 2, 1,658 square feet. There's a whole family of Heartland series plans, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. They come in all sizes, as small as 1,200 square feet, as large as well over 2,000 square feet. It's very hard to beat a Heartland series plan as far as what you're getting for the money. It is it's priced very well. So this is the master bedroom. Let's check out this closet. I got some can lights over here that It's gonna be a little dark over here, so bear with me. You should still be able to see everything you need to see though. This is the Heartland's included base molding, crown molding, casings, interior doors, hardware, all that stuff, okay? And then last but not least, that primary bathroom. All right, so this is the 4x8 shower. This is the largest of the 3 shower options. I guess the one thing about the 4x8 is if you elect to go with this size shower, you cannot feature a true water closet. It will have to be a freestanding toilet. It does add that much space to the pantry. So if you do the 4x8 shower, it will result in a larger pantry. I included white frame mirrors, vanity lights, again with that quartz countertops, the natural cabinets, which we've talked about. But yeah, just a really solid bathroom. Got some linen cabinetry over here. Good stuff. All right, guys, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you are interested or you know anybody interested in building their dream home, get with me with this email right here, shields@nccustomodulars.com. Again, that's shields@nccustomodulars.com. If our office number is 336-226-9066. If you call because of this video, please ask to speak with me. Really helps me out. I did want to thank everybody for all the subscriptions, all the comments. I love doing this, and I hope you're enjoying it as well. Take care.